Hey everyone, my name is Merlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a LEGO Minecraft Big Pig Steve in Iron Armour and a shield. These are the pieces you're going to need for the helmet. Or you can use the helmet that comes with the skeleton Big Pig set. Okay, so to start off, we're going to get a 4x4 blue plate, and we're going to get a 2x2 red plate on top of that. Then we're going to get this studs not on top piece. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it has a 2x4 space on the side of it and a 1x2 space on the top. I'm going to put those on either side away from each other, so like that. We're going to get 2 of them. And then we're going to get 4 of those same types of bricks, except they have a 2x2 space on the side of it. And we're going to put those all around the other sides. Then we're going to get some 2x4 tiles, and we're going to put 2 on the back of the 2x4 bit. Face them down like that way. Then we're going to get 1 on this side of that one, and 1 on this. Wait, oops. Oh dear, it's all falling apart. It's kind of fragile at the beginning. And we're going to put 1 of those there as well. Then we're going to get some 2x3 tiles. Now these are really hard to find, and you'll only really find like 3 of them that you need for this helmet in the actual skeleton set that you can get. So I just recommend following the instructions from that. But if you do have the pieces and you want to use them for this yourself without getting the skeleton set, that's fine. But yeah, you get these 2 bits here. Then you put the same piece on the front in the middle, facing down, and 2 1x2 tiles beside it. And on the top, we're going to get 2 2x4 tiles and put them like that. And then, to finish off, we're going to get the Steve's head from the Steve set, take it off his body, and we're going to put the helmet on top of the 2 studs that LEGO has added just for doing this. So, boop, and there's your head for Steve with the helmet on. These are the pieces you're going to need for the arms. These are the pieces you're going to need for the arms. The left one, we're going to get 2x2 plate, going to need for the body. And we're going to get the pieces you're going to need for the 2x2 plate and put that. These are the pieces you're going to need for the shield. Then we're going to get this studs not on top piece, which has a bottom placing bit on the bottom, and it has a 2x2 area on the side. And then we're going to get a 1x2 crosshair piece. Put that like that. Actually, no, like this. And now we're going to put a 1x3 tan piece here, and another one down here. Then we're going to get a 1x2 tan piece there. Then we're going to get a 2x2 studs not on top piece with the 1x2 bit up there with the top bit of the studs instead of the bottom. We're going to put it there. And then we're going to get a 1x2 grey piece. Put that there. Now we're going to get another one of these pieces, but in tan. And we're going to put it here. And then we're going to get a 1x2 plate there. And a 1x2 plate here. Followed by a 2x2 tile. And then we're going to put another 2x2 tile on there. Then we're going to put 3 2x2 tiles there, there, and there for his shoulders. And there's your left arm. Now for the right arm, we're going to do the exact same thing, but in the other direction. So we're going to put that there, put that there, but this time we're going to put this crosshair piece over there, and the tan piece there instead, so it can clip onto the other side. Put that there, and there. Just the exact same thing, but all in the different direction. And there's your arms. These are the pieces you're going to need for the body. For the body, we're going to start with a 4x4 plate, and then we're going to get a 1x4 plate and put it beside it. Then we're going to get a 2x4 plate, put that on top of the 1x4 plate and put that on the edge of the 4x4. Then we're going to get a 2x4 brick, put it in the semi middle, get a 1x4 brick and put that beside it. Then we're going to get two 1x1 Technic pieces with a hole in it, and we're going to put them on those sides there. Then we're going to get a 1x4, put it there, a 1x2 with a ball on it, two 1x1s, put that beside the 1x2. Then we're going to get a 1x4 and put it here. Then we're going to get a 1x4 and put that over there. I'm going to get 4 of these 1x2 brick plates with a clip on the side. I'm going to put those all across here, this way here. Then we're going to get two 2x4s and put them up here like that. Then we're going to get a 1x4 and put it across there. Then in the same order as just did the plates, we're going to put some tiles, 2x4, two 2x4 tiles and one 1x4 tile. And then we're going to put 2 blue pins with a cross on one side and a pin bit in the other. I'm going to put that in there and there. And then when we have the body done, we can get the head and the arms. I'm going to put those, and then Steve's head. And there you go. These are the pieces you're going to need for the legs. Now for the legs, we're going to start off with a 2x6 plate, and on top of that, in the middle, we're going to put a 2x2 brick. Then on the side, we're going to put a 2x2 plate, and then we're going to put two 1x2 bits with a clip with like the other side, the opposite of a clip on it. I'm going to put another 2x2 on top of that, and then to top all that bit off, we're going to put a 2x4 tile. Then on the underside over here, we're going to put a 2x2 plate, and then we're going to get a 2x2 plate up on the top there. Then I get a 1x2 brick, which has a 2x2 bottom bit on the side of it. You can get this piece with the magma cube that comes with the skeleton set. I happened to get 2 of them, so I was able to use it for the 2 legs. Then get a 1x2 and put it in between there. Get a 2x2 there. Then on the side here, we're going to put a 1x2 with studs not on top, 2x2 bit on the side, and then we're going to get a 1x2 there. Then we're going to get a 2x2 tile and a 2x2 tile on the top and the side, and that is your right leg. To do the left leg, you basically do this. You do the exact same thing, except you get this part here and you turn it around and you put it on that side instead, and then it's a left leg. Now we're going to put them on the bottom of the sleeve. We're going to get the one leg here, the left leg, and we're going to put that on that clip there. Then we're going to get this leg, the right leg, and clip it on like that. They're posable. Everything's posable like that, and there you go. Iron Amour Steve. These are the pieces you're going to need for the shield. Now for the shield, we're going to get a 4x8 plate and a 2x8 plate and put them beside each other. More preferably, if you had a 6x8 plate, this would be better, but I don't have a 6x8 plate in brown, so I'm going to use that. Then get 2 2x3 plates, more preferably a 2x6 plate, but I don't have that in brown either, so I'm going to have to use that. And then, to hold it all together, we're going to get a 1x8 tile on either side like this. And then we're going to get a 2 1x6 tiles, put them at the top and the bottom. So boop, and boop. And then we're going to get 8 2x2 jumper plates and put them all in the center. And then we're going to get 8 1x1 round tiles and put them on top of each of the jumper plate studs. Then to finish off, we're going to get a 1x2 plate with the 2x2 studs not on top, piece on the side, and put it right in the middle of the entire thing like that. And there you go. That's your shield. To make the shield go on to Steve's hand when he's not using it, you just put it like that on top of there. And to make him look like he's using it, you put the, you do an illegal move of putting the edge of the plate in between the studs of his hand, like that. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching my video on how to make an Iron Armour Steve and a shield. And I'll catch you guys later with the next one.